give the cliche question, how are you feeling? And
We are here to celebrate the farewell of Mr. Pratik Banodkar.
Namaste.
Not his farewell, but he's also here.
He is Vandekar, I am Banodkar.
Okay, so the ultimate question: how are you feeling?
It's a mixed emotion actually. The job meant a lot to me because when I left HSBC, I tried to do my masters, but I spent 2 years. Usually, people spend 2 years doing masters, but I spent 2 years trying to get into masters. So after that, it was like you had to get back on track. So this job actually provided me that right track to basically start building up my career again. So it means a lot, and whatever I have learned over here and whatever friends I have made over here, I think that's going to last forever. So it's kind of a mixed emotions. I could have stayed, but then eventually all good things come to an end. So
Money problem.
it's not only money problem. It's there are many problems, but then
Many problems.
Yeah, it's many, not money. So eventually, you have to grow. You have to become more relevant in the market. So I think that move is going to be good for me. So as I have worked like my ass off over here,
Hey, no.
So I hope I will be able to do that wherever I go. So even if there is a little bit of sadness that I'm leaving this group and going, there is this kind of excitement that I will be joining somewhere new, expecting a new journey.
Yeah, it said that there will be no ass on this chair.
It will be just an aspirant.
It's sad because it's not a family show anymore.
I actually remember the first day actually when I joined, and Gap directly took me inside this room in this inside room, and Satvesh was sitting there, and beside him was Robin. So he took me directly to Satvesh, and then he told him to introduce me to everybody else. Like each and every desk you go and you have to introduce.
Trust me, that was awkward.
That was very awkward. Seriously, it was so awkward, and I could sense that awkwardness. Like first 2-3 people, it's okay, and then inside room it was fine. Then you go outside, and that time it was like now at least we are all properly organized. The team sits in one particular place. But that time it was like, okay, I went to one place, he's data team. That was Pratik, that is data team. Then I go somewhere else. Pratik is sitting over there. This is again data team. In between there has been web, there has been some crawler team, and everybody was just scattered. So that was one thing, and the level of awkwardness just kept rising as you kept going ahead. So actually, I think thanks to Satvesh that he shared that awkwardness with me on that first day. Thanks basically to Satvesh even for getting us a lot of Flipkart money in the break.
Thanks to Amay also.
Yeah, Amay as well. And yeah, thanks to everybody else, basically Gaurish, Kedar, everybody else. Wouldn't have been fun without you all. I mean, it was usually so quiet when Kedar was not there during lunch. So we used to miss that voice if he was not there.
Any questions?
Any questions with regard to Android, KT, RJ,
Yeah,
CT?
What?
I have so many questions regarding ArcGIS. Can you please?
That is the end of the show. Difficult questions.
Ask questions.
अच्छा, questions
KT
about
के टाइम पे भी
Google.
questions नहीं आए तुमको?
What was the happiest moment in him? और मागीर सांग saddest moment.
Happiest moment honestly was when I did my, actually that was a personal thing, but
Scrum Master?
Yeah, Scrum Master certification when I did that, and when I sent that email out, I
Got a
saw
call.
replies from Prayut, Robinson, and from Switzerland it was even Roman. So that was kind of a good thing that some achievement was being recognized even out there in Switzerland. And the saddest I would say is that I never got to use that experience.
Oh, that's sad.
So
Oh,
it's basically you do all this, you learn all these new things so that you become relevant in the industry. But I would say that experience I could not use over here. You could not get the chance to work in that agile environment, which is very much required nowadays. The happy moment would be RFE. RFE to
RFE
finally
success.
get over rather than just that, because I guess the amount of stress we went through for the Saturday Sundays that we did, I literally went home and I vomited. It was that stressful. ते बटर चिकन ऑर्डर केलं तर सगळे बाहेर आले मोती महालचे बटर चिकन असे होते.
And you remember that SMA had called on SMA had called on your phone and you received the call on the phone.
Oh, सगळ्यांचे तकले आहेत आले.
होय 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 होय.
आदित्याची तकली आहेत आली.
तिथली ती तकली जाग्यावर नाशिल्ली त्या टायमार. बट देन चल झालं ते इव्हेंच्युअली, सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग अबाउट इट. Like I still feel that we could have done much better work if we had taken a stand against like what is right as per we had as a company. If we had some standard in terms of UI, UX, the way we do apps, maybe we could have done a much better work. Funniest moment I would say was when we went for the trip. Which farm was that?
SRK.
SRK, and when we were playing cricket, and Amay came running for that run, and he just slipped right there near my legs.
Then you
Yeah, so that was one of the happiest moments. But even on that same picnic, there was a sad moment because I also slipped.
You fell?
Yeah, I slipped while I was going to take a catch. I slipped.
Yeah, no.
I was standing in short leg, but I slipped. The cricket fans will get it.
Okay. मैं लेग बाय मैं okay. Any more moments that you will remember forever?
I have to think. I mean, this is like impromptu. मैं सोच के नहीं आया था पहले.
Okay. You got time to think. Till then, we'll show a commercial.
Dance.
I can make a advertisement of really
Play that ad again.
yeah, I can play that ad.
Cats and Dogs by Apedia. Learn about hundreds of cat and dog species with pictures. Find important info like stores, clinics, parks, and much more. Cats and Dogs by Apedia. Download the app. It's a pow wow. Meow.
Another moment I would say was that blast over there.
Oh,
You can see the
Good.
ते कितें म्हणटा ते हे अजून आसा
After effect.
आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स
You can see the after effects.
quite clearly. Oh god.
And the moment, there are some nice moments like squirrel in our AC, squirrel babies on top, rat. That was not a happy
Vada
moment.
Pav sessions.
Vada
Pav days.
Pav sessions. How can I forget Vada Pav sessions?
Vada Pav days.
Yeah, we made up a nice food out for that. That was great.
Any good memories of working from home?
Sleep. Sleep during Vada Pav day.
Okay.
Otherwise, good memories. Nothing. It was boring. It was like 11 o'clock. You have to okay, fine. In 1 hour, I have to log in, then take a bath.
Right.
It didn't give the feeling that I'm actually doing proper office work or something. Like if it's 9 o'clock, then you have that kind of a feel that you're actually doing office work. But otherwise, eventually, even in notice period, I didn't have anything. So ऐसा कोई feeling आया ही नहीं कि काम कर रहा हूँ. I have literally, I feel I've forgotten Kotlin, forgotten Android until and unless I don't do anything. I'll completely forget. So I don't know how it will be in the initial days of my new job because for the last 1 year I haven't seen Android up till that RFP thing. Otherwise, I have no idea.
How you can forget ArcGIS now?
Perfect.
How you can forget ArcGIS?
Project perfect. किती म्हणतात?
Forget.
Forget. How you can forget?
ArcGIS.
You want me to tell you how to forget ArcGIS? Do you even remember
That's
what
a good
you
one.
forget? There was one incident which actually, it was during the COLN case, like client is when we had this one page that I had to make a list of images and everything and whatever approvals we did. And it was 7 o'clock in the evening, and I was not getting the feature correctly implemented. My pics were getting like a slideshow was happening. So this guy comes, Robinson comes, and I was relatively new, I guess 4 to 5 months in the office, and I was doing the work. I don't remember how much time it was. Then Robinson comes, he sees what is happening, he sees what code I've written. At 7 o'clock, so he sees 15 minutes, he sits at my desk, 5 to 15, then he goes to his desk. And he's searching something. I'm just sitting there doing nothing, trying to figure out how I can solve the issue. I just like come behind and I just see what Robinson is seeing on his, what documentation he's reading in order to, so that even I can see in that direction. Then at 7:30 gets up, comes to my desk, and he dictates me the whole code to solve that issue. I didn't understand anything. I was just like how a boss tells secretary to take down details. Just like that, I was just writing down, typing down stuff, and it worked. And I was like, what the hell? He just went there, saw for 15 minutes, and he was not into Android so much. He came back and he showed me that day. I honestly, every programmer has kind of an ego, so that ego kind of got hurt. Not in a bad way, but I took it in a way that you are here, you are doing some work, and you're getting paid. You're getting paid to do that work by yourself, not to be told by your team lead or something. So that day I was like, okay, fine. I don't want to give this guy another opportunity to sit next to me and dictate me code. So since then I was like, okay, fine. You have to upskill yourself. You have to know your shit. For a very brief time with Deepthi, when we did that Manhattan projects or something, we had to do using Angular. I don't know what it was, but we wanted to do that demo. And that time I worked under Deepthi, so briefly I was added in that core web team, and it was good to see how Deepthi works works along with the whole team. So that's something that everybody should learn, because a team leader like Deepthi is something that every team should have. That's what I feel.
Questions?
I'm thinking about the answers of the question that I might ask. या सिस्टम मध्ये काम करता आलो आणि हे सगळं.
ये वो सिस्टम था भाई और बहनों जिस पे ये साहब कभी बैठा करते थे, काम किया करते थे. And these are the, oh my
अरे look at them, they became bald.
shit.
Look at this.
Must have had a lot of calls.
काय जाऊ ना, फक्त केटीच्या टायमार आणि काय ना. चितडे उडे गए.
Oh, there's nothing here.
चितडे उडे गए.
Okay. So that's how much of a hard worker was Pratik. Worked hard on the headphones.
I in 2.5 years that I've been here, सबसे ज़्यादा कॉल मैंने नोटिस पीरियड में लिए. उसके पहले मेरे कॉल हुए ही नहीं है. वो कॉल कौन लेता था वो सबको मालूम है, बट सबसे ज़्यादा कॉल मेरे नोटिस पीरियड में हुए.
As you can see, it's 31st December. What are your New Year plans? Oh, New Year resolutions.
I had 2020 resolutions. And
Same, you can repeat now.
no, I think सगळीं जाणां म्हणटा बारीक आसा मे बी मातसो मोठो जावपाक जाय.
You had time at home मरे.
पण खाता ते लागना जिवाक, हांव कितें करूं?
You have to go hard.
I know that feel.
You have to go what?
You have to go to gym.
जिम. जिमान वचनाच ना अशें कितें मोठे जायना लोक.
Yoga.
योगा केला मोठा होता.
Yoga.
हे योगा. हांव जेन्ना रॉबिन्सन म्हणटालो तुका ते रॉबिन सर म्हणून आयकपाक येयल्ले. तूं मागीर सर म्हणपाक लागलो. त्याचो I had to say
Very
sir.
first day, no? On very first day, I guess. Pratik used to call Robinson as Robinson, okay, but I heard it like Robinson. So I started to calling him sir because Pratik is calling him Robinson.
Oh.
Okay, so
That's how it
why-
started.
Yeah, that's how it started.
And then you also started calling him sir.
Yeah, then it would be
When you started
awkward.
calling him Robinson sir.
No, then I used to call him the sir.
Okay. अरे गेलो मरे. Okay.
So that's my call to start the offboarding officially.
Okay.
So I have put
Tell a
my-
joke of the day. आजूच सांग रे. आयच्या वर्सात सांग. ओके वचून येता.
थंय वचून आयले की समजा कितें जोक जाल्यार सांगता.
ओके मिलते हैं छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. Did you do this?
No.
Did you?
No, I did. अनुजा रट्टा.
Oh my, that's sad. ओरीच रट्टा रे. ओव्हर ॲक्टिंग. आत्ता बरी ॲक्टिंग करतलो. अरे रिप्लाई आना शुरू हो गए हैं और हम आपको दे रहे हैं लाइव फीड. आई एम सो सैड.
You should be happy.
इतना सा सो एनिवे दिसत ना सगळे धवे दिसतात.
Welcome. Thank you all. Don't cry. Oh, please.
Oh my god.
हू इज दॅट? ए मास्क खंय गो तुझे?
Hey, mask.
मास्क घालप मगो कितें हे?
अरे ऐकूच ना तुझे.
मास्क मास्क घाल सांगले तुका, इयरफोन घाल सांगू ना.
मास्क तुम्ही घालता बरं. कितल्या जणांनी रिप्लाय केलं तुका?
इज दॅट इम्पॉर्टंट?
3.
होय सांग रे. इमोशनल रडलं बिन कोण रडपाची इमोजी.
अरे सॉरी 2च.
ना एक वन वॉज दिस वन ना. अनुषा ओनली रिप्लाय.
हा ओके तुका धरून 3.
Naveen also pinged.
ओके
So SME called, so I don't know if that is counted.
नो नॉट. What was before?
नवीन मनशांती.
किती?
नवीन मनशांती.
ओके जोक्स का आना शुरू हो चुका है.
These are the type of jokes you were expecting?
नो हंसी का आना अब तक शुरू नहीं हुआ.
झालो LMT fix तुझं?
सांग बरं आता स्पीच बिन देव बसत तू.
Yes, you missed the speech. This phone you can see na, that is recording what you are saying.
Already आलेच होते.
आता तू वर टीम सचर मेसेज कर.
And this video is going to go on.
All the platforms.
I did ArcGIS with GBA. I did ArcGIS KT with GBA. I offboarded
Did he?
successfully.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, and that's it.
I don't think so.
Yeah. खत्म खल्लास चलो. किसी को कुछ भेजने का ईमेल मैं बंद कर दूं आउटलुक. किसी को कोई फाइनल शटडाउन. No, I have to press it over here again. Wow, I think the company already found a replacement, and my PC is already being used by other one.
What do you feel about that?
That's very fast. इतने जल्दी भूल गए. Shut down anyway.
This guy is recording that.
Oh shit, I missed that.